Did you know that Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, and millions of people are buying it every single day? But here's the big question. How do you buy Bitcoin safely and easily using Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange? Today, I'll show you step by step how to do it, without confusion, in the simplest way possible. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to buy Bitcoin but felt overwhelmed by all the complicated steps, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to buy Bitcoin using Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your crypto journey with confidence. First, let's quickly understand Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It's trusted by millions of users because it's fast, secure, and supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies. But today, we'll keep it simple and focus only on buying Bitcoin. The first step is creating an account on Binance. Go to Binance.com or download the Binance app. Sign up using your email or phone number. Then, you'll need to verify your identity. This is called KYC. It's just like opening a bank account. You'll upload an ID card or passport. This step keeps your account safe. Once your account is verified, it's time to add money. Binance allows you to deposit using your bank card, bank transfer, or even peer-to-peer trading. For beginners, the easiest way is to use your debit or credit card. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. On the homepage, click Buy Crypto. Select your local currency, for example, USD or BDT. Choose Bitcoin, BTC. Enter how much money you want to invest. Confirm the purchase. And just like that, you now own Bitcoin in your Binance wallet. Before we finish, here are 3 quick safety tips. Always enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, for extra security. Never share your password or recovery codes. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Crypto is exciting but also risky. So that's how you buy Bitcoin easily on Binance. Simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials. And let me know in the comments, have you bought Bitcoin yet, or are you planning to start today?